What is going on, gang? We're gonna be looking at the Hero 7 Black GoPro and some of the default settings that I've been using. Now this thing does film in 60 frames a second, 4K. Now we are gonna be using this with a couple of accessories. We've got the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter, comboed with the VLAN is V2. And that's the little extension mic that we're going to be using. And for lighting, I picked up this little bad boy. It's the Lanzi VL49. These are all pretty cheap, pretty good, high quality, cheap China components. But when it's done, this is the grip that we're going to be using. It's a U grip.
Damn, girl.
And it is pretty dope, dude. The mic does come with a dead cat. We do have cold shoes up here to put our attachments on, and I dig it. Very cool, man. When it's all together, it's like making a little Frankenstein baby. So I'm gonna show you how the lights are on this thing real quick. Hey Google, turn off lights. Oh, spooky baby. That's that lighting, baby. Ooh, this is on the lowest setting, and this bastard gets real bright. As you can see, I'm like lighting up the entire back room. It's crazy, dude. Oh God, I do it for the content. I can't see. But we're gonna take this for a little roll outside, buddy, and I'll catch you guys out there. Come on, guys. We're testing out some of the new stuff with this build. We're gonna see how it looks, how it sounds with the new mic. So this is a test on 4K, new mic, we got the new lighting, we've got the new stabilizer going. Hopefully it's good, I don't know. Y'all gotta tell me, man, I'm new to this stuff, bro. I just stay home and play video games, dude. They got that Rona outside, buddy. Check. But this is 4K 60 frames a second with stabilizer added to it, external mic. and oh, it's an HD. Oh, the aspect ratio is 14:9, I think. Something.
Okay.
Run. Alright guys, and that is what this thing can do. I will put a link in the description if you do want to check it out. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. I never do them. I buy a lot of weird dumb shit, and I feel like some people would probably like checking out some of the stupid stuff I buy. So if you dig it, you know, let me know. And let me know what other kind of things that I use that you see in my previous videos of you know, stupid stuff that I'm using, if you want to see it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. We're gonna be doing I think we're doing like a 2-month review on the chair that I'm sitting on. I got the Secret Labs chair about 2 months ago, and I'm gonna do a full breakdown of how it's been in 2 months with a Secret Labs gaming chair, and see if you guys like that. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget, if you like the videos, make sure that you wash your filthy hands. Y'all are nasty out there. I'll catch you later.